The Interstate ITS and CV Implementation Project, Phase 1, started construction in August of 2024 with the goal to expand network infrastructure along the interstate system to improve traffic safety, operations, and reliability. Conduit is being installed off the paved shoulder by using directional drilling. Directional drilling is used to install conduits under obstacles such as roads, buildings, and wetlands. Before the directional drilling begins, the crew pre-plans the bore path to carefully avoid obstructions such as underground utilities. The horizontal bore begins with a directional drill bit entering the designated starting point. The directional drilling crew maintains radio communication throughout the entire process. The directional drill bit is tracked by an instrument probe known as a sonde, which automatically transmits depth and pitch information to a walkover locator that is manually positioned above the bore path. This locator then interprets the information and gives directions to the directional driller on which way to steer the drill bit. The drilling crew can always determine the exact depth and location of the drill bit. The next stage of directional drilling is to enlarge the pilot bore. A typical mid-sized directional drill uses a 4-inch drill bit to drive a pilot. For the bore path, it is typically enlarged to 1.5 size of the conduit that is being installed. During the installation, the bore path has to be enlarged to accommodate the conduit, and a reamer is attached to cut a large diameter hole. The reamer is simply pulled through the existing bore path to enlarge the hole. And as with most directional drilling projects, very little of the normal sitting activities were interrupted during the conduit installation. After the bore path is enlarged, the conduit is simply pulled into place by the directional drilling rig. Installing the pipe is the last stage of directional drilling. The benefits of this method of installation include less disruption of commercial activities and traffic, less site rehabilitation, and avoids damaging the environment. The Interstate ITS and CV Implementation Project is anticipated to be completed through 5 phases. Once complete, the project will provide a robust interstate communication network for GDOT's Navigator expansion and will have the ability to deploy CV technology.